Don't let it go, let it go. Don't let it slip away. Lips first touch, get left in the dust. No room to judge. Talking business, slow track.
Alright, so getting right into this, I used 5 boxes of hair dye. I only ended up using 4, however. This is everything I used to achieve this look. This is my 613 wig. I have a video on this that will be linked down below. All the materials that came in the box. And so now I am protecting my nails. I had a fresh set, so just definitely didn't want to make sure that I didn't get any dye on it. Went ahead and just started going per the instructions that came in the box, mixing the developer and the dye and all that jazz. So I did realize that the bowl was too small, so I ended up using a box of tampons to just go ahead and put all the dye in there and then continue adding more boxes of dye. Just make sure you start off with a big enough container so you can really do what you need to do. I also made sure to go ahead and put trash bags on the floor so that I would protect the carpet. I don't have a wig stand right now. I'm in the process of moving and I'm not moving abroad with that, so I'm just like decluttering everything. So I just went ahead and used this method. Here's my wig. It's actually dry. I only have a bit of like water on the top because I washed out gel from like a previous install. I went ahead and just made sure that it's straightened out and there's no tangles in the hair. Now at first I was trying to be all professional and stuff and take it piece by piece and everything, but as you'll soon see, that was just not working for me. It was just, the hair itself is pretty thick and pretty full, and it just didn't feel like I was doing really anything. So I started using my hand like a bushwoman, but that did the job for me. Just had to make sure that I really worked in the hair dye so that I didn't miss anything, and I found that I did a pretty good job at like covering everything. So I would recommend that if you're going to use this method, just make sure you have enough dye to begin with, and that way it would be a lot easier to just really work it in.
Slip away.
Now for the frontal area, I wanted to make sure that I tried to not get dye on the actual lace, but it didn't really matter. I'm not working with a really dark color anyway, so it's fine. Here I'm just going ahead to just detangle, and by doing this I help just disperse the dye throughout.
Go and take a chance where she could be.
I went ahead and let the color sit for about 30 minutes before I went into my bathroom to wash it all out. Now, for some reason, I thought the dye was going to transfer onto the actual sink, so I had the trash bag, but obviously that doesn't leave space for the water to leave, so I had to let that go. The sink was fine. Just went ahead and washed out the hair dye and used shampoo, then came back with the conditioner that came inside the actual boxes to go ahead and just condition the hair. A lot of people don't use the conditioner that comes with this, but I actually liked it. I felt like it did a really great job at just nourishing the hair and making it really, really, really smooth. Like, I was really surprised how silky it transformed. Now, my only problem with this, and even with like detangling it while I had the dye in it, was that it caused a lot of shedding. So I would be careful about that. Maybe that might not be the smartest thing to do, and just wait to detangle and just wait to comb it all out when you're done and it's already been conditioned, because I think the dye itself changes the texture of the hair and makes it a lot rougher. And so when you're being that rough with the hair, it starts taking out strands unnecessarily. And now that I'm wearing the hair, it's like it sheds like crazy. So I don't know how much is at the fault of the hair itself or with the process that I did, but I would say don't go ahead and detangle it while the dye is in the hair. But here I am detangling it with the conditioner freshly washed. I just made sure the water ran as clear as possible to know that the dye was out and that the hair was conditioned and all clean.
Don't let it go, let it go. Don't let it.
And here you can really see the color. It's almost like a little silvery and stuff, but it's really, really pretty, really gorgeous. All right, here's the hair against natural lighting. You can kind of see the undertones in there. And here's the hair dry and blown out. All right, so this is the final look. This is absolutely gorgeous. I am actually in love. I am in love with this hair. It's absolutely pretty. I love how the dye came out. It's not too, I don't even know what color to call this. It's like a merging of everything. It's ash blonde, a hint of like super golden gold. I don't even know what I'm talking about, but it's cute. I love this color and it's definitely easy to achieve. This is my first time ever dyeing hair. So if I can do this, I'm pretty sure any person of any expertise level can do this as well. All I did was use a purple shampoo previously on my 613 hair on this wig, and then did the whole dyeing process that you guys just saw, and I did this. And the reason why I love this color as opposed to the platinum blonde that I did previously is because it complements my natural skin tone so much more better. I love the darkness and I love the dimension this hair has. Like, it's not just I can't even put it into words how this hair is. It's just cute. You people, your eyes are seeing it. Your eyes are seeing it. I'm sorry, I start bringing out my accent when I just don't even know how to express myself. But I love it, and I know you guys will love it too. Definitely try this hair out, and everything, all the links to the hair and things I use are down below, as well as the colors of the dye boxes I used as well. So definitely try this out. It's absolutely stunning and I feel so pretty. So I'll let you guys go. Please hit that like button, subscribe, and comment and let me know how you feel about my hair. Only positive comments only. So anyway, I'll see you guys in another video very soon. Goodbye.